It's my birthday week and it's starting to snow. And the ground is starting to turn white. Been snowing for 3 hours, but it's still wet snow. So it easily melts off when it touches the ground. Not complaining. It's cozy and warm inside. So for my birthday week, I'm gonna make something special for myself. I bought just 1 kiwi from the grocery yesterday. So I'm gonna pick some of the blackberries. And these ones are super sweet. I got a taste of these this morning while preparing breakfast. The raspberries were good buy this week. Sometimes on certain weeks they're so sour, but this week I tasted it this morning. It was so good. And my blackberries, I'm gonna rinse off my fruits. So I have raspberries, blackberries, green grapes, and the regular grapes and kiwi. Slicing off my kiwi now. They're not the sweetest. So here's my fruits. I'm ready to assemble and decorate my number cake. It's just me and my husband, and if I make a very big cake, nobody can consume it like right away. It goes stale, like you know how a cake goes stale? It becomes crummy and it's not anymore soft. So bear with me if I'm just using very little cake. I'm not even using the whole cake. I got for myself a dozen mini cupcakes and I'm gonna assemble it as a number. I had the option of buying 2 dozens, but again, I just don't want to assemble something and end up throwing it in my trash bin because I can't consume it right in time. Might get spoiled. So bear with me if I slice some of these cupcakes to form my numbers. You can always go for a whole cake and slicing up the cake, or you can go with 24 cupcakes or 36 cupcakes just to have the number clearly formed. Again, I'm just trying to feed 2 people. That's why I'm opting to use the lesser pieces of cupcakes for my assembly. So here's my ingredients. I bought a dozen mini cupcakes, cream cheese frosting. It can be any frosting. You can have your chocolate frosting, your vanilla frosting. For this one, I prefer cream cheese. And I bought the mini Hershey's cookies and cream, mini Kit Kats, my fruit, and I have some cashews here just to add some crunch. Now I'm gonna assemble. not the prettiest, but this is my number cake. So you see I assembled the fruits, the chocolates, and my cashews on it. It's my first attempt, and you can do one too. It's easy, right?